Hey guys, how's it going? How to enhance website security on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website. If you want to get the best plan, visit the link in the description box to get free domain, free website migration, 24/7 customer support, plus 3 months for free. If you don't like the experience, you will get 30-day money back guaranteed. So, if you want to enhance website security, first of all, you need a physical security. Theft, fire, cable damage, this all sort of the threats. So security starts with the physical security, as they don't own or operate any data centers themselves. They choose their partners very carefully and place high demands on the security and reliability of the facilities they offer to keep your data safe. First of all, second of all, the monitoring and maintenance. Take care of your business with the peace of mind, while their dedicated in-house security team provides 24/7 server monitoring and tracks system performance and availability. Scheduled regular server and infrastructure maintenance, including operating system updates and security patches, help prevent zero-day security vulnerabilities from being exploited. And come to next, the website security with powerful, secure infrastructure check, but that alone is not enough. What makes web hosting special is that the websites share server resources together. This means that an attack or activities on one website that can affect other websites hosted on the same server, distributed denial of service attacks and malware are just for a few examples. Like they don't only prevent it, but also give you the tools for smooth and secure experience. All right, and make sure that your infrastructure, like email, apps, and other digital projects you own with them, are stored on a physical server distributed across 11 data centers on 4 continents. They set high standards not only for themselves but also for their partners to ensure both physical and operational security and deliver robust services for your website and other services. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.